Hey guys, so let's dive into the part 2 of my watches collection. These are still not all the watches that I own. I do have, I think, more 4, 5 more, but I think that those are at my mom's place. And yeah, let's start with these then. So, starting with the first watch, this is the Kenneth Cole automatic watch. By automatic, I mean it is not run by a battery, it runs on motion. So with more motion the battery gets charged, like whatever battery is in it, it gets charged, and then that's how the watch runs. This watch is very close to my heart. Reason being, it was a gift from my dad to my husband during our wedding time. And my husband, he wears only smartwatches, so I wear this watch. I do feel like closer to my dad whenever I watch it, whenever I wear this watch, sorry. And I love the way the whole dark brown, this belt is, and it's a very luxurious watch. I think it costed around 20k. We had got this from Shoppers Stop, and sometimes it can be annoying, the whole, the motion sensor, because you have to first ensure that the time is set, and then you have to ensure that it's well charged enough for the battery to run. So there are a couple of issues, but overall it's a very luxurious piece. Luxury piece, people always ask me about this watch. So yeah guys, that is. Moving on to my second watch. This is from the brand Titan. It is some HTSE collection. I do not know how to pronounce it, but they are Swarovski embellished here. Blue color, one of my favorite colors. This is again a solar watch. So the solar, with the sun or with the light, the battery gets charged. It's not like you don't have to change the battery. This is the chargeable one, solar chargeable. I really love how unique this watch looked when I first seen it. I love the whole, this blue belt. Overall, this whole complete mechanism looked very beautiful for me. And it can really be annoying because this has to be properly charged. I mean, if you wear it daily, then not an issue. But if you are like me, who keeps it into a cupboard, and obviously there are no light inside a cupboard, so it doesn't get charged. I have to ensure that I keep it out. I keep it out for at least half an hour, 45 minutes to get it charged. So I mean, who has the time? So these watches, solar watches can have those issues, but nonetheless, I have no regrets of buying it. I really loved it. I guess this watch was around like 15 or 16k. I got it at an offer because of I was an ex-Tata employee, so I got it for some, I think, 7 or 8k. I do not remember vividly. It's very close to my heart. This is from the brand Fast Track, and I think this is the cheapest watch I have. I think it cost around like 1,000 or 800 rupees. I love the design. It was so funky. I mean, I absolutely adore this. And the best part is this was gifted to me by my husband, then boyfriend. And those days, we weren't earning that much. So, whatever he could manage, he gifted me. And I feel it is one of the prized possession for me. I love this watch a lot. From my collection, which is a solar operative watch again. This is Citizen Eco Drive. The Eco Drive collection are those which are solar charged. Again, like I said, I have the same issue with this watch. I have to ensure for this well charged and working enough, because sometimes you manage to get the charge on the light, but it will just work for 2-3 hours and then stops working. So it's a little issue, a little hassle, but I do not mind it, honestly, guys. I love watches so much that it's a very small issue for me. So, and plus I have like so many other watches, so I can always change it. But then that leads to me using less of these watches. That does happen. Or I ensure that I have well charged and then I use it at a stretch for a week. And that's how I plan wearing them. And this was my first expensive watch, I will say. I think it's priced at some. I got it at 9k or something, 9,000 rupees. Yeah, I got this like 4 or 5 years back. It's a very lovely watch. It's very light. It's of course Citizen. Come on. So moving on, this is like the typical gold, watch. People call it Bappi Lahiri watch, whatever it is. Like, this is my style. This is so me. This pure gold. This looks so beautiful, so luxurious. This is from the brand Swatch. I got this for I think 12,000 rupees, and I got it from Shoppers Stop. I searched a lot. I did a lot of research before finally buying it. I do research when it comes to all the watches except for this, because this was a gift. When it comes to all other watches, I have done like a fair amount of research before buying them, because I believe I'm investing like money in it, so let me be worth it. So this is among those watches which is like most used, eye-catchy candy. Like, I wear it in my hand and I know people are looking at it. That's how gorgeous this watch is. My most priced watch, I will say, not necessarily priced, but yeah. So this I bought like 4 years back. This is Michael Kors. I bought it on my birthday 4 years back. Trust me guys, that time I felt I was on top of the world when I bought it, because I felt like, okay, I have like, like earned it sort of thing. I think it costed me around 20,000, but the whole look, feel is so luxurious. Plus, I always love like the whole diamond setting. I love that, when it's in the like dial, and I just, the rose gold collection, I mean the rose gold at that time felt super, very luxurious. The whole style is very unique, and absolutely love this watch. See that most of the dials are quite like big and round, so I realized I need to add a few more watches, more like square dial and rectangular dial. I'm looking for something like a slimmer belt now, because you should bring more variations in your collection. And I'm looking to buy a watch which has like complete like diamond or crystal, whatever, even on the belt, even on the dial, like complete, like a piece of jewelry. So if if you've seen something like that, do let me know, so I can also check on it, and yeah, would love to buy those now. So that is it guys, part 2 collection from me. There will be a part 3 also for it. So thank you so much for watching. Please have a good day. Take care.